Hi everyone, let me introduce you to my latest Figma plugin. It's called Back to Square Zero. All it does is actually just grab all the content on a page and put it on X0, Y0. I'll show you a little bit of why. So let's get to my file called Content Sandbox. And you see here I just opened the page and there's nothing there, right? But then if I press Shift and 1, I see that there was actually like some stuff on that page. The thing is, that stuff was at 3000, 3000. So when Figma loads the file, when Figma loads the page, it always centers everything on the viewport 0, 0, the coordinates, the origin coordinates of the canvas. And when we were working, sometimes we put things like a little bit outside of that, sometimes 3000 pixels outside of that. And so when anyone else loads this page, they wouldn't actually see anything unless they knew how to like basically zoom all, and then they actually get the content, right? So it's kind of important to, especially like in when you're doing like Figma libraries, design system work, to actually make sure that when the page opens, like people see the content, right? So that's what Back to Zero does. I'll run it here. Back to Square Zero. I haven't run it before, so I need to go find it on the plugins. Back Square Zero. So you see it here, and then you run it. Whoop, it went. So now let's do command 1 again. Let's grab this one, which is the one that's closest to the right, and you see it's at 0, 0. So that's pretty much what Back to Square Zero does. It groups everything in your page, puts it on the beginning coordinates, and then ungroups so that everything that you have on the page actually is visible to users when they load. And that's pretty much that. Like it's a bit of like a organization freak thing, but I hope it's useful and I hope you try it out. Give it a little favorite, a little thumbs up. Send me a comment about it and have fun. Catch you later.